Ito magandang tanong to dahil pasok sa contestability period yung claim nila Bea Charlene. Sabi niya, pwede po mag-ask, bali namatay po yung policy owner few months after pa-insure sa BPI-AIA. Nagpasa na po ng requirements including additional requirements including doctor statement kasi within 2-year contestability. So again, kung within 2 years pa, hindi basta-basta nakaka-claim. Tama, may karapatan ng insurance company to contest yung claim kung legitimate ba, kung na-declare ba lahat ng sakit, for example, nung nagpa-insure. Baka walang symptoms, maybe hindi niya alam, but right, meron na palang sakit. One example is kidney stone. Kidney stone doesn't happen overnight. No, na ngayon wala, tapos bukas or next month meron ka na bigla. Hindi. It develops over the years. No, ganun din yung mga gallstone, for example. So, hindi yan bigla-bigla na lang, no? Kaya, yung first 2 years talaga, kumbaga, luging-lugi yung insurance company pag nagbayad ka, let's say 1 month lang, tapos next month namatay. Tapos may itinago pala na health statement, no? Health condition. Hindi naman pa pwedeng basta bayad lang din ang bayad. So, dapat fair. And kung legitimate claim, insurance companies like AIA pays, right, legitimate claims. But of course, the company has the right to check, to investigate, to ask for more requirements. And hindi porke nag-submit ka na ng requirements, maaprubahan yun. Alright? So, ganun ka-important na naintindihan natin ito. And ang mangyayari, wala ka naman lugi rito kasi if na-deny yung claim, let's say death, the premiums will be returned. And when I say premiums, hindi ito yung face amount na coverage. Kung 1 million ang coverage mo, hindi yun na makukuha nga kasi yun nga yung insurance claim, no? Premiums lang kung magkano yung binayad. Kung nakapagbayad ka ng 23,000 na premium for 1 year, for example, or kung 1 quarter man yan, yun lang yung ibabalik. Alright? Like, I don't know if there will be processing fees or what. But yeah, that will be. No? So, ibig sabihin, walang talo kasi kung ano yung binayad mo, ibabalik naman sa'yo. Hindi ka nalugi. But definitely, the claims, the insurance companies have the right to deny claims if hindi legitimate claim, if merong concealment of health condition, ganyan. Basta if merong whether sinadya o hindi yung concealment na yun, of course, negosyo rin naman ito. Hindi pwede magpatalo lang ng company.